Checklist for finding the right Mesa glass repair service. While certain types of glass are break-resistant, you never know when a strong force could cause it to crack. Finding the right glass repair service in Mesa isn't hard when you use this simple checklist to cover your bases. Start by checking for professionalism. A professional company should have a physical location that includes a showroom. You'll also want to make sure that the company is licensed to perform repairs in your area. A company that is bonded and has the appropriate insurance coverage cares about making sure that they're covered for any unforeseen events that could occur on your property. Find out if they guarantee their work. There are two main types of guarantees that you should expect to see when you arrange for glass repair services. The first type is an installation warranty. This covers any damage that occurs from faulty installation practices such as failing to place a proper seal. There is also a manufacturer's warranty that covers flaws or blemishes in the actual pane or framed window that we install. We offer both types of warranties so that you have a full service guarantee. Ask if they can manage the scope of your project. The ideal place to go for your glass repair service is a company that offers multiple options for completing projects. For instance, you might need to have large storefront windows repaired, which is beyond the scope of smaller repair shops. Or, you may have specialty shelves or tabletops that are broken. When you have a unique type of project to complete, working with a company that has decades of experience under their belt and access to higher-end glass means that you'll be happy with the results. Read customer reviews. Almost any company that you talk to will speak highly of their skills. However, their customers are the ones that you can expect to tell the whole truth. Look for a company that has a reputation for successfully handling projects. If you see many positive reviews, then you'll likely be wanting to write one, too. Make sure the estimate fits your plans. The final step in your checklist is to make sure that the services fit your budget. For a repair quote, in most cases you should expect a technician to visit your property. They will get the right measurements and determine the type of glass that you need for the repair. Getting the most accurate quote possible helps you plan for the cost while knowing that you are getting a fair price that fits the scope of the repair project. Taking the time to find a company that checks off every item on your list is worth it when you love the results. When it comes to protecting your home or business, our goal is to provide you with prompt repairs that eliminate all of your worries. Now, all you have to do is grab your checklist and give us a call. We'll walk through each of your concerns and provide you with the answers you need to feel good about your final decision. Our company has over 40 years of experience in the residential and commercial glass industry. We are bonded and insured, and our work and products are guaranteed. Ready to get started? Give us a call.